Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money from home. You are your own boss and can work as much or as little as you want. Earnings depend on how many sales you make, but there are many affiliate programs that pay out 50% commissions. In today's video, we will talk about affiliate marketing, why it's so popular, the best affiliate programs to join, and some tips for success in order to earn more money by affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Yes, you can become an affiliate marketer and make money while sleeping. The best part is that it's all passive income, which means there are literally no time commitments from your end. The idea of affiliate marketing is that you will promote a particular online retailer, and when someone clicks through to their site, purchases something from them, or signs up for one of the company's services, then they pay your commission. But affiliate marketing isn't as simple with only one sentence describing what this process entails or how to do it at its best. There are many intricacies, nuances, and important details to consider for ensuring success on an affiliate level. Those who don't know these little secrets will find themselves struggling indefinitely, while others thrive off their hard work. In order to attract and engage the attention of potential consumers, affiliates need to employ various marketing channels. They may do this by employing a multitude of different strategies that leverage their business's strengths while also utilizing relevant content for specific audiences. We will now explain 4 methods for an affiliate to collect leads. Number 1. Influencers. Influencers are people who hold power to impact the purchasing decisions of a large segment of society. This is an amazing position for these individuals because they already have impressive followings. It's easy and in their best interest to direct consumers back towards products through social media posts or other interactions with followers. The influencer then receives shares from profits that were created, which may result in considerable profit themselves. Influencer marketing campaigns can be more engaging and creative than the standard banner advertisement. Brands partner with influencers who are seen as experts or authorities in their specific niches to create a series of product reviews, account takeovers, live videos that promote your brand for an affordable cost. When working on these campaigns, it's important to keep up with trends so you don't miss out on anything valuable. Number 2. Bloggers. Bloggers are a seller's best friend because of their ability to rank organically in search engine queries. Bloggers get the opportunity to sample products and services, which gives them an edge over other forms of advertising or marketing that can be costly for companies that don't have large budgets. The blogger will then create a review with steps on how others can do what they did, as well as insights into why it was worth trying out this product or service. This type of insider information is compelling enough to drive traffic back onto the company's site, where conversion rates increase due, once again, thanks in part to bloggers ranking high in organic searches. The blogger is rewarded for their work and efforts to help improve the seller's sales. For example, my article on the best email marketing software includes product reviews and affiliate links throughout it, which has helped me earn commissions as an affiliate marketer from some of those products. Number 3. Paid search-focused microsites. Microsites are a great way to offer more focused, relevant content and bring in increased conversions. By being distinct from the organization's main site, they encourage simple actions like clicking through for information or watching an advertisement that leads to other potential sales. The best part about creating microsites is that it can be done quickly with only one person involved. These sites are advertised on the sponsored listings of search engines or within partner websites, which means they offer highly targeted content that will lead to increased conversions because of their simple call-to-action buttons. Number 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is an effective, cost-effective way to reach consumers and to develop a larger customer base. Email campaigns are also well-suited for generating leads that can be converted into sales through commercial offers or affiliate programs with commissions earned on each sale. Despite its older origins as the backbone of email services like Gmail and Hotmail, marketers still use email as one way to generate revenue via their own mailing lists they may have built up over time from selling products themselves, or having partnerships with companies who wish them to promote their products' hyperlinks in newsletters by including links back to where customers can buy those items at no additional charge, earning a commission after the consumer makes a purchase. With the sheer amount of emails collected, affiliates can create a personal and engaging email campaign to convince potential customers to purchase products. These campaigns are much more effective than generic promotional messages that go out on social media platforms because they target specific individuals who have shown an interest in their company's goods. With all these different methods for collecting leads, it is important for organizations with affiliate programs or loyalty clubs to know which method would be most appropriate depending upon what consumers want from them, as well as how many other companies offer similar services in addition to theirs. And now, the biggest secret to being a good affiliate marketer: only recommend products of your interest. It's important for an affiliate to build trust with their audience, and the quickest way of doing this is by recommending products they have tested themselves. Of course, it needs to be a good fit for your audience. In order not to be too pushy when recommending products online, make sure to never tell anyone directly to buy something. It's important that they know you're simply offering some friendly guidance rather than demanding anything from them as part of a sales pitch or marketing campaign, which might turn potential buyers away altogether. The practice may even lead people who visit your blog regularly to feel like they can rely on any recommendations made by someone who is an expert. The saying goes that you shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. It is important to work with many different merchants within a niche and promote products from multiple companies, as it will ultimately lead to higher conversion rates for both the merchant promoting their company's product and the affiliate marketing agent who chooses them. If you've always been interested in starting your own online business but didn't know what niche to choose or how to start out, then affiliate marketing may be the choice for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting products from other companies and earning commissions on sales that are generated. Well, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to see more, press the bell icon so that you get VIP access to our future videos. Thanks for watching, and with that said, we look forward to seeing you in the next video.